Hi, parents. Since your child is not here on Friday, this is what they will need to do. The link that I gave you in the parentheses, they'll just need to copy and paste that link into a browser. When they get here, it will say how to divide, can't read what that says. It says how to divide by decimals, watch video. So right here is a video. To access that video, anything that has a rectangular link, it says click here to watch the quick video, and it's got a little arrow. This says it's a video. So you're going to click on this, and once you click on it, it's going to pull up a video. Now, so because I think I'm on the teacher side, it's not going to pull it up, but this is going to be a video explaining how to show it. Now, you're going to click on the arrow to go to the next page. All right, here is where they're going to show their work. Now, they can either show their work by writing on here, or, let me erase that, okay, or they can take a picture if they do their work on a whiteboard, on a sheet of paper. You can click on the camera and it'll take a picture of their work. They just have to hold it in front of the video thing on your computer. Now, if they're struggling, they're going to click up here. It shows you step by step. They can do the problem with me on their whiteboard, then take a picture. They're practicing. To click this, notice I have all these little dots because they cannot click it unless they are on the arrow. They have to have the select mode to be able to click the activity. Otherwise, they're just going to be writing on it. All right. Once they do that, they take a picture or they do their work on this board. They can go to the next slide. They read the problem. If they don't know what to do or what number to put inside of the division sign, click here. It walks them step by step through the problem. So this is what they're going to be doing. There are 7 slides that they need to go through. If you can have them do it, I'd be grateful. I will go through and check them. I can go in and check them off because I will see exactly what they're able to do. Thanks a lot. I appreciate your help. They have a quiz on Thursday. Well, their class will be on Friday. So, and it will be over add, subtract, multiply, divide, decimals. Okay? Thank you so much. Have a great night. Bye-bye.